In this guide, you're going to learn how to upload longer videos to your Instagram story. First, you'll need to update your Instagram app. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Now go ahead and search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch the app, click on the option Your Story. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the video that you want to upload. So I have selected this one video, more than 1 minute. Now here you can see that Instagram has cut down the video. Automatically it has set the video to 60 seconds. At the moment you can upload Instagram story of 60 seconds only. If the video exceeds 1 minute, it will be trimmed automatically. At the moment there is no any workaround. Just upload the videos up to 60 seconds in different parts. That's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.